Welcome to YouTube Drama News. Oh, it is going down today. Double Neck Debbie wanted to address Miss Akina, and you girls know she isn't having it. In 2021, Miss Akina said that she was reading those girls, and oh, take it away. Like YouTube Drama News. Check this out, ladies. Now, this was 5 hours ago when I dusted live. Far as what, she needs to be debunking gears and all that. As you tell her, as you see, I'm telling her, she stay talking shit. Okay, you better start directing shit to people in the comment section. Have a seat, beige skin Becky. Fuck out of here. Real talk. You created these problems. Remember that. Bish. I ain't create shit. Like I said, I ain't know that was your mama. And so fucking what? Get over it. I don't better start doing shit. You better start staying in your own lane. You ladies know I cussed this bitch out, right? And what the fuck? You better do... Well, what the fuck you better do, boil skin Brenda, lobster skin Laura, beige skin Becky, is stay in your motherfucking lane, you cranky motherfucking crack baby. You really talking more shit than a little piggy puss face. I was in my lane, you crusty face crackhead. You brought yourself in my lane. Remember that double neck Debbie ball holder chin? I just saying, bitch. You speak on my motherfucking mother. It's what created this. Slow whore. Okay. Bam. I'm gonna keep coming for you every time you get up under my motherfucking comment section, bitch. Okay. Like I said, you motherfucking cranky crack baby.